Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my everyday makeup look. Okay, yeah, you know, I just said I haven't done a makeup video since Christmas time. So I said, let me get in front of the camera, show you guys how I do my makeup every day before work. And sometimes you guys kind of see my makeup like this for videos because I normally record after a work day. So let me get y'all to the video. So hopefully you guys will give me a thumbs up if you like makeup videos like this. And the red subscribe button you guys are going to hit on the way to your next destination. And there's also a bell so you can be notified of all my videos that are uploaded on Sundays, 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. And share this video if you want to share it also of me, you know, fumbling around trying to put makeup on my face on a Saturday night. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, keep watching. All right, everybody, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Chocolate. And I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk number 127 spoolie along with my Morphe brushes, angled brush. And this is the PM45 brush. I think that's what it says, PM or the PK. I can't tell. It's light writing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill in my brows with that. And my brows are pretty light and kind of sparse, so I have to fill them in, so you know, so you can kind of see I have some brows. And the next thing I'm going to do is use my NYX Brow Control Freak Brow Gel. I'm going to put that on my brows real quick so they can stay in place, so there's no problems. Next, I'm going to use the Mabelline Fit Me Concealer in the number 20 to go ahead and just put a base on my eyelids to get them ready for the eyeshadow. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to go ahead and get all of that on really quick. Put that on both lids and try not to make funny faces as I do that. And next we're going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I am so excited. I love using this palette. But first, someone wants to make an appearance to say hello. She came in the room and she wants to say hi to all of you lovely people because you all haven't seen her lately. And now she's done. And first we're going to use the color Desert Sand. And I'm going to put that all over my crease using the Morphe M412 brush. I'm going to put that all over my crease really quick, like, well, actually my crease and above. Actually go above my crease with that color. We're going to do that first to kind of, you know, kind of put a little base down on the crease, just a smidge. We're going to do that. And the next color we're going to use is the color Musk, which is right next to Desert Sand. And I'm going to use the same Morphe brush to blend that color a little bit below and below that color into the crease. And a little bit, it's going to go a little bit on my lid, but it's no big deal. It's going to get covered anyway. Next thing I'm going to use is the color Celestial, which is right under Desert Sand. And I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics 130 brush. And we're going to put that glitter color all over, just, well, on from the inside to the, probably like 3/4 of the way into my lid. And I'm going to put that on just to put a little shimmer on my eyelids for the day. Next, we are going to line our eyes with the Rimmel Scandalized. And also for mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And for my lashes, I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. Doing all that off camera. And my foundation, I am using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color let's see, M3.5 Vanuatu. I'm gonna go ahead and shake that up real quick. And then I'm gonna take a first dot, go down the center of my face, and then a little bit on one cheek. Take another dot, and we're gonna put some more on. I get a little carried away with foundation sometimes. I don't know why. I didn't need that much foundation, but I was just being a little extra and put on the foundation. And the brush I used was the Sonia Kashuk. It's a angled flat top brush. There's no number or name for that brush, so I'm just going to use that to put the foundation on. Next, I am going to use I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, Translucent, and I'm just going to hit my T-zone with my Morphe M401 brush, and then I go back under my eyes with the Mabelline Fit Me concealer and my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to get right up under my eyes only. I'm not going to highlight, you know, all the rest. And then I go back to the Huda Beauty and get that musk color, and I'm going to put that right on my under eye to kind of smoke it out a little. I do a little smoky eye for work some days. Well, every day actually, because I just feel a little smoky every day. And then I'm going to go back in with the telescopic mascara. Just go ahead and hit those under eyes, because I have blonde bottom lashes. It's really weird, but my bottom lashes are blonde. I don't know how the heck that happened. So I have to use mascara just to, you know, so you can see I have actual lower lashes. Then next I'm going to use the Nars Laguna bronzer with the Morphe MB1 brush. I love Laguna a lot, and I've hit pan. You're going to see Laguna again, and I hit pan on that one too, because I love Laguna. I really love it. It's my favorite bronzer, especially in the wintertime. I love wearing that bronzer. And I hit a little down on my neck, because my neck is actually lighter than my face, weirdly enough. I don't know how that happens. And for blush, I'm using the color Partyyyy by Tarte, and I'm using the Morphe PM4 angled brush, and I use that for my blush. I don't go blush crazy like I used to, but I do kind of put that on, you know, just to give the cheeks a little color. And next is I use from the Nordstrom's Best palette, I use Nars' Albatross for my highlighter. And for the brush, I'm using the Eco Tools fan brush. I love Albatross, especially in the wintertime, because it's not too much. And it's not too much, and it's not too, it's just right. It's that right medium. And I hit the high points of my cheeks, and then I even go under my brow bone. I go down the middle of the nose, and then I have to wipe off the Aquaphor off my lips, because it's getting close to time for the lipstick. So I go ahead and I wipe that off, and then I go back in with the Albatross, and I hit that Cupid's bow up, you know, because I gotta, you know, kind of highlight that a little bit. And for lipstick, I am using one of the new, this is ColourPop Luxe lipsticks in the color Layover. I love this lipstick. I think I wear the lipsticks now more than the other, like the liquid lipsticks. I love how easy it goes on. It glides on just smooth, and it's very moisturizing. So you see, I just put it on in one application real quick. But, you know, I have to go over it because I'm a bit on the extra side in my life. And now my shirt is on, my earrings on, but then I forgot I gotta set this face. Here's the Urban Decay All Nighter And that's it. This got a little messy on me. So I'm gonna get out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.